the objective here was to take basically a raw stream of data from the cloud and turn it into an intelligent stream of data that the sellers could use, and also, make sure we could pass up to our execs in a way they can consume and understand, importantly as well. We had to deliver in 1 year what the sales business had taken 25 years to achieve by creating this well-oiled sales machine. We actually, part of the process, had to plug into this sales machine. Another part that was really interesting for me was the backlog of issues we had and challenges and revolutionary and crazy theories and ideas we wanted to try and test. And every time something happened and a new issue was created or a field seller found something, that list of revolutionary ideas got pushed back further and further. But the speed in which Decisive Data helped us iterate and the speed in which they were agile enough to change course and adjust meant more of those revolutionary ideas made it onto the actual feature list. Consequently, that's when we noticed very recently it went from the 400 sellers we aimed to hit originally, that there were 700 unique visitors every week. We've taken the consumption of EMS from 3% to about 30% within the year that we were actually running the project. So great success, but ultimately, again, saving the sellers time, not becoming a sales blocker, but actually helping become a sales enabler to that community. Decisive Data actually sped the process up massively by leveraging their existing connections across the multiple databases and platforms that are out there. And so we were using things like the MAL, MS Sales, we were using Dynamics, we were using Agile BI, and ultimately, if we were to do that out cold, building those relationships and building those networks would have taken a long time. We leveraged their existing resources. They spent time with us, basically becoming a part of our extended team to be able to help deliver what we needed and become vested in the success of our project. The last thing I want to add as well is I didn't receive any payment, or I didn't receive any offer of services or discount of services for this interview. In fact, they reached out to me and asked if they were doing some interviews, would I mind helping out? And I, of course, because given the success of the project, I'd be more than happy to.